Start. We come across different types of advertisements in our day to day life. They have invaded every aspect of our day to day dealings, our conversations, our thoughts, and to a certain extent, they even control our behavior as customers and consumers of goods and services. Advertisements stare and scream at us from every corner of the street. Every newspaper, every magazine, every hoarding, every stall or every shop or every showroom to walls of every public building, vehicle, radio, and television. They do not even spare our computer or mobile screens when we all are interested in checking our mails or even simply browsing through. The world has suddenly become advertisement conscious. The lights of advertisements draw our attention towards them. Today, in this modern era, our life is full of technology. It is no wonder that online shopping is growing year after year. While there may be some negatives of technology, one fact remains that technology has made our life simpler. Some 2 to 3 decades back, nobody could think that one can buy anything, anytime without even going out. No one would have thought that sending gifts to a relative or friend at a far distance would be so convenient and just by clicking a button, the order would be placed. But despite the high growth of online shopping in recent years, India's e commerce industry is still in its growing stage. Online shopping accounts for larger percentage of the total shopping in the country, and it has a lot of potential to shoot up. Advertisements have even jumped into smaller and insignificant things of our life. Everything from education to career building to buying a soap or a mobile, one has to rely upon advertisements. It seems nothing as if it can be obtained without advertisements. They are the ones that tell us which soap to use, which biscuit to eat, which branded to wear, which sunglasses to use, which pens to write with, which toys to play with, etc. An effective advertisement can increase the sale of even a useless commodity. No business, trade, or transaction can flourish without proper advertising and marketing. It is these advertisements that bring products to the notice of general public. Today, lakhs and crores of rupees are spent in preparing 2 or 3 minutes of an advertisement. Globalization is not just a boon for business houses across the world, but it has also helped people and governing bodies to realize that countries are just man made boundaries, and at the end of the day, all human beings on the planet are same and connected with each other through thick and thin. Many small things have been made large by right kind of advertising. In fact, newer needs have been generated amongst people. People have started to feel the need for even those goods which they have never heard before. Advertisements intentionally create demands. The companies pay the utmost attention to study the right time to telecast their advertisements so as to target major viewership. Large companies depend heavily on advertisements to make their products known to the consumers. Without these sponsorings, the major sports events cannot be organized with the huge gathering of fans. The art of advertisement is of course a modern blessing, but it has reached and touched all possible heights. It has touched all the aspects of modern complexities and has complicated humans' life more. For even a simple pencil, there are too many options which do not provide a child with any solution but rather confuse him all the more. Products play with man's brain, play havoc with his pocket, and assault his peace of mind. It is because of these advertisements that a whole new field of career and businesses have opened up. The branch of marketing solely depends upon this recent art of advertising along with other components. Advertisers exercise their imagination, feel the pulse of the people, what touches or tickles them, and what captures their mind, and create a whole new world of fantasy, glamour, and fiction to sell the real things. In fact, advertisers and advertisements play and encash upon the psychology of people in order to achieve their ends. Even cinema has been affected by advertisements. What we call as trailers of movies or publicity of a movie is nothing but its advertisement to bring audience to the theater. In this age of though competition, one cannot survive without popularizing one's business, product, or institution. It is the advertisements which popularize the things. Moreover, these days, politicians too rely heavily on advertisements for election campaigning. Some advertisements are enlightening, like the ones which caution against the use of tobacco or informing about polio. Some advertisements are revolutionary in nature, like advertisement of tea or advertisements related to telecom sector. Some advertisements are misleading, especially in the education sector, wherein various institutes guarantee 100% job placement. Such claims provoke fake and thus they were banned. There are some other advertisements too which gained huge popularity but did little to boost the sales of the company. A good advertisement is one which sells the product without drawing attention to itself. It is through advertisements that people can popularize their business, talent, product, service, or commodity. But for this, advertising is not limited to the television advertisements only. Advertisements is thousands are there in newspapers, magazines, radio, banners, hoardings, on walls, on the internet, etc. All of them are gaining equal viewership. Advertisements are not limited to consumer durable or FMCG products only. Today, advertisements are published or telecast for everything like for services of banking, hospitality, matrimonial service, insurance, salon service, for schools and other educational institutes, for vacancies available, for upcoming exhibitions or shows, for every big and small thing. With a smartphone in every hand, internet seems to be a new fume for advertisers, wherein Bill Gates has said earlier that the future of advertising is the internet. Getting people to work with other people of different culture and ethnicities is a challenge in the world. It is not always easy for people of different walks of life to easily work with each other. Globalization will always be like two sides of the same coin. While there are both pros and cons for globalization, it would not be fair if we do not give credit for how globalization has made our world a better place to live in. A revolutionary invention at some corner of the world can be replicated all across the planet. A sincere thanks to globalization. A cure for AIDS found in one country can be distributed in other countries. Without advertising, the world refuses to acknowledge the presence of a thing in today's context. It would not be wrong to say that hike in sales depend upon the kind or quality of advertisements prepared to promote it. Lately, it has been seen that some advertisements are gradually crossing over from artistic sense to the sense which hurts the sentiments of persons. For this reason, many advertisements have been banned. For instance, cigarette advertisements are banned on Indian channels. Tobacco and alcohol advertisements are telecasted or printed only with statutory warnings. Stop.